Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to enable subtitles in DramaWave application. If you want to turn on subtitles in DramaWave, then the process is quite easy. Launch open the DramaWave application on your device and browser search for the drama you wish to watch and then tap on it to open up the video player. After opening up the content, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Subtitles. Now once you open up the Subtitles tab, in the menu that appears, select your preferred subtitle language. If multiple subtitle options are available, select the one that suits you. After choosing one, you will be able to enable subtitles in your preferred language. You can switch between subtitles by repeating the steps. And that's how you easily enable subtitle on DramaWave. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press on the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.